And then just literally 2 days ago, he texted me and he said, "Hey man, I want to promote this webinar fuel software for you. It's awesome. It'll help our community." I mean, he literally did, I think, $270,000 in 24 hours and is on track to do $500,000 in the first week. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing training and the ability to sell and be a high value affiliate, not one of these people doing black hat stuff that doesn't work, but like a true, like legitimate business owner that's doing affiliate marketing, man, props to Vick. Like, you need to learn from Vick. I truly believe, dude, just he's genius when it comes to this stuff. And that's what I love about him. So thankful to have him as a part of my network. And if you can make him a part of your network, you should do it.
Obviously, our company makes a lot of money because we run, we have a learning company, right? And we have a technology company. But me actually doing affiliate marketing, so what I've done is I took basically an average of like what's my average, right? As an affiliate entrepreneur actually selling affiliate products from other people in other companies. Not selling courses on it, that's different, right? That's above and beyond that, all right? Comes out to be at least $10,000 a day. That's pretty good, wouldn't you guys say? Pretty good, pretty good. Actually selling affiliate stuff, right?